So that's my Subaru, and as you can see, she's in good nick for what we paid. Sorry about traffic. This is the problem. She seems to get smoke emanate from there, under boost. It's a white smoke. But I mean, the car is in really good nick. For an O2 plate, interior is nearly immaculate. Just to give you an idea. I don't know if you can see, I didn't bring key. So this is the Subaru that me and my brother built. Took us about 3 months from engine knock. It was a damaged conrod and a faulty oil pump. We replaced new conrod, full regrind, full rebore, new oil pump, new water pump, gaskets, double checked all the hoses. The only thing we're slightly worried about is we are getting a puff of white smoke every so often coming from the engine after it's gone into the turbo. If we don't go into the turbo, it does not smoke at all. So at first I was a bit worried that it could be the turbo, but having looked at it, it seems to be emanating from beneath where the turbo should be. So I'm hoping it's just a problem with the cat, the midsection cat. It probably will be, but I bought a new full stainless exhaust system. It is only a Jap speed one, but needs must at minute. I'll let you guys know how I get on with that one. But yeah, this is my Subaru. It's very hot.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Very good.
Desert Dockers.
Desert Dockers, these are my Jesus slippers. Nice and shiny. We're here with John Holman. John, what's it like to be under my car?
Shit.
Awesome. You what?
No second side.
But you love the fact that you sold me it. Don't know if you can see in this light, it's not brilliant, but there's my 2 new additions. Full stainless and a tow bar. Tow bar took some right fitting. I've just got the blank on at the minute. It's detachable. But yeah, I'll video running as well. It's a little bit warm. I'll turn her over just so you can hear. Hopefully you can hear. I've left the door open so you can hear. So this is what she sounds like now. She's a bit loud. Bit apprehensive about how loud she is. I suppose it's what comes with territory with your boxer engines. So yeah. I'm going to take her out in a minute, back her out of the garage, and I'll take her for a drive, see how she gets on. Hopefully it'll not upset all neighbours, but you can't please everyone. So yeah, let's see how she goes.